The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. An unknown phenomenon is taking place in the skies of the United States. The sky has turned a blood-red color and an unknown figure has been seen floating in front of the sun. At this time, there doesn't seem to be any danger, although residents are advised to stay home at this time. A curfew has been put into effect at this time, lasting from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Residents seen outside at these times will be questioned by the police in their area. Tune into local media outlets for more updates when they become available. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operation Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will be speaking shortly. Please stand by. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WNBC. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and NASA. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Please stay tuned to this alert, as this contains information about an ongoing global crisis. The unknown figure has been confirmed to be hostile. He has been sending balls of fire from the sun itself to attack humans. It has been confirmed this entity is extraterrestrial in origin, and is aiming to wipe out the human race. When the fire impacts, it sends intense heat for miles from the impact site. NASA has also made the shocking discovery that the entity is planning to send a sun ray to the Earth to burn all life. It is assumed this is to make the planet inhabitable for this entity's species. There is nothing humanity can do to stop this. It is expected all human life will be deceased within the next 30 minutes. At this time you are told to follow the following instructions. Gather your friends and family. Forgive those you have a sour relation with. Do whatever activities make you comfortable. Do not tell young children about this event. A verse from the Bible has been selected to be read on the air. John 14:27, Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives, do I give to you. Let not your hearts be troubled, neither let them be afraid. This broadcast will end with the final playing of our national anthem. God bless the United States.
International. This alert is broadcast at the request of the Canadian government. A global emergency is in progress. An unknown entity is sending fireballs from the sun in an attempt to burn all of humanity and make the planet inhabitable for its species. NASA have confirmed that the entity is going to send a sun ray to the Earth to wipe out humanity. All residents of Canada are to gather your friends and family. Do what makes you comfortable. After this alert, all television services will go off air as they will no longer be able to be managed. Humanity has 30 minutes left to live. After this alert, the national anthem will be played. God bless Canada.
We apologize for the interruption to your broadcast. Please stand by for an emergency message. We apologize for the interruption to your broadcast. Please stand by for an emergency message. This is an emergency broadcast. The current threat level is emergency, meaning an emergency is in progress which will impact your safety. A global emergency is in progress. An entity was spotted floating in the sky in the United States earlier today. This entity is confirmed to be extraterrestrial. This entity is attacking humanity. This entity is sending balls of fire from the sun to the planet. It is doing this to create an environment suitable for its species. It has also been confirmed that the entity is going to send a sun ray to the Earth to eradicate all life. This is confirmed to be happening in the next 30 minutes. Multiple world leaders are confirmed to be deceased. Multiple countries have already been wiped off the planet. You are told to spend your final moments with your loved ones. This broadcast will end with the final playing of the national anthem. God bless Australia.
This message is broadcast by the Home Office and the Ministry of Defense. This is not a test. A global emergency is in progress. An entity in the sun is attacking the human race using the sun. It has been sending balls of fire which have been causing damage across the world. It has been confirmed that all of humanity will be killed within the next 30 minutes by a sun ray sent by the entity. Multiple members of Parliament have been confirmed to be deceased because of this entity. All attempts of reasoning have failed and resulted in instant death. At this time, you are advised to seek a shelter with your family and prepare for the end. Multiple countries have fallen already and more continue to do so. At the conclusion of this alert, the national anthem will be played. God save our King and God save the United Kingdom.